Hello everyone, this is Marnel and welcome to my channel. Today, we're crocheting a 3-leaf clover. You can turn this into a bookmark, headband, or any idea you like to make. This is a quick and beginner-friendly tutorial. As we begin, let's grab the materials, prepare ourselves, and find a cozy crochet nook. Let us first make the bookmark. Begin with a slip knot and make a chain of 4. After that, we will skip 3 chains, then in the 4th chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. This is our ring here, and this will be our center. Continue with the chain 3, then make a 3 double crochet cluster in the center. Yarn over, insert the hook in the center. Now we have 3, pull 2, yarn over, insert the hook again in the center. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again for the last time, insert the hook in the center. Now we have 5, pull through 2, now we have 4, and pull through the 4 loops. Continue with the chain 3, then slip stitch in the center. And this is our first leaf of our clover. We will repeat that again. Chain 3. In the center, we will make yarn over, insert the hook in the center, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over again, insert the hook in the center, pull through 2, and yarn over, insert the hook, pull through 2, and pull through all the 4 loops. Then chain 3 and slip stitch in the center. This will be our second leaf. Last, chain 3 again, repeat the same process, make 3 double crochet cluster in the center. Third this cluster, chain 3, and slip stitch in the center. Then this is our first set of our 3-leaf clover. We will chain 7 because here I want to add another clover leaf, but if you don't want, just continue make a chain that is equivalent to the length of your book. Continue, skip 3 chains, in the 4th chain, make a slip stitch. This creates another ring for our next leaf. So chain 3, then create a 3 double crochet cluster in the center. After this cluster, chain 3, then slip stitch in the center. We will repeat the same pattern until we have 3. Let's continue. If you are following mine, we will create a chain here that is equivalent to the length of our book. So for me, I'm going to make 45 chains plus 4. This 4th additional chains is for our next leaf. So we skip 3, then in the 4th chain, make a slip stitch. And here, we will just repeat the same pattern. Chain 3 in the center, make a 3 double crochet cluster. After that, chain 3 again, then slip stitch in the center. We will just repeat 2 more times, and I'll check back with you again once I'm done. And this will be my last leaf. But if you want to add another leaf, just repeat the same pattern. Once finished, chain 1 and cut the yarn. And lastly, we will just weave in the ends and cut the tails. And here, our crochet 3-leaf bookmark is done. The next thing that we will do is the headband. It's just pretty the same on what we did earlier. The only difference are the chains. So slip knot, chain 4, skip 3 chains, then slip stitch in the 4th chain. Chain 3, create this 3 double crochet cluster. After this cluster, chain 3 and slip stitch in the center. Repeat for 2 more times. Let's continue by making a chain that is long enough to use as ties, and at the same time it can reach the top of our head. For me, I will be making 90 chains plus 4. And we will repeat, skip 3 chains, slip stitch in the 4th chain. We will just repeat the same pattern for our next leaf. After this leaf, let's chain 7. We will just do the same. Skip 3 chains, then in the 4th chain, slip stitch. Create the same pattern for our leaf. We will just repeat this for 2 more times since I want to have 3 leaves for my headband. But if you want 4, just like what you can see on the screen, repeat more 3 times. You can customize here. You can add as many leaves as you want, or you can do a lesser leaf. It really depends on you, on what you prefer. Then let us make a chain long enough to go around the rest of our head and to use to tie at the back. Mine, I will make 110 chains plus 4. Then skip 3 chains, slip stitch to the 4th chain, and we will just repeat the same process. Once done, let's chain 1 and cut the yarn. Lastly, let's just weave in the ends and cut the tails. And we are done. Our 3-leaf crochet clover headband and bookmark are ready. If you love this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet content. Once again, thank you and have a great day.